tungsten price continues to fly, making it a very interesting commodity for investors right now. Here to tell us more about their tungsten project is Ali Haji, the CEO of American Tungsten. Ali, it's a pleasure to see you. How are you?
Very well, Shay. Pleasure to be here.
Now, you are currently further exploring your IMA mine over in Idaho in the United States. Can you bring us up to speed of where this drill program is at?
Absolutely. We've done about 5 holes at the D level, amounting to about 2,200 feet. The intercepts that we've seen thus far are rather exciting and showing mineralization. Of course, they have now been submitted to the assay labs. We're also ensuring that our zero-level drill stations are ready for us to continue our drilling program into phase 2. So in aggregate, about 18,000 feet infill as well as delineating drilling will occur on the assets, allowing us to put out that updated resource in March of this year.
Now, you've had about 30 rock chip samples come in from this project just today. Can you tell me, what do these numbers look like? I hear they're pretty impressive.
I would argue that they are. I think you look at the historical drilling or the historical sampling from Inspiration, and we sort of had the good fortune of them marking where they collected those samples across the United system. We went back and re-assayed them, and we received results. We'd have to pull them up because they are fresh off the press. They are rather higher. So we've got an average grade of about 0.77 over 7 feet at the number 5 vein. We've also got average grades of about 1.52% again across 3.7 feet at the 5 vein subsample. At the DS1 crosscut, which is further down in the line, we've got about 0.053. But again, this is not our target. It is simply a sample that we obtained in order to understand what the surroundings would look like. What truly surprised us about this assay is the lower tailings. The lower tailings consist of an average grade of about 0.25. If you were to look at the average tungsten mine in production across the world today, it would be 0.22. So our tailings are showing a lot of value. Let alone the tungsten values, we've seen very strong silver numbers, which I'm equally as excited about because we have an opportunity here to cover our OPEX. So we've got, on the high side of things, about 2.7 ounces per ton silver over a 5-foot width. And that in itself is in excess of about $250 US. So very excited with what we've seen here. Just proves that we had our targets set correctly. VP Austin Zinser did a phenomenal job of identifying those targets. And we're very excited to receive the core samples from our drilling program that is now underway.
And it's great news to see that you've found silver as well. That's another commodity, providing a tailwind to your sales. You've started the year strong. What's in store for the rest of 2026?
It's going to be a rather busy year indeed. We've set our sights on being the first producer of tungsten in North America. We've engaged with WSP as our engineering partner, and they're currently completing their met testing alongside some of our offtakers, such as GTP, that can be named. We have government engagement that continues with the state of Idaho. Governor Little has been very, very favorable to us with respect to the meetings that we've had with him and the various agencies in Idaho. I'm going to be in DC next week, ensuring that we're meeting all the federal agencies. But importantly, from a trajectory perspective, I think the market can expect an updated resource statement between March and early April. You will then see our PEA thereafter. We're also on the cusp of an uplift strategy on the NYSE or the NASDAQ, which will occur in May. Our met testing will have concluded by then. We will have our offtakes defined. And the goal for us is to start to pour concrete for our processing facility in Patterson, Idaho, in and about this summer with first production.
Okay, so it's not just a busy year ahead, it's a busy few months to get the year started. Listen, Ali, I really appreciate your time today and I look forward to the next update.
My pleasure.